guys, welcome back to another vlog. Guys, sale ka dyan guys. Grab tang chance. Palit ko sa mga gamit. Paldo na naman si Mrs. Today guys, mabiyahe tayo mamaya. Pero before magbiyahe, daan muna tayo dito. Ha? Paldos, Mrs. Sige, sige.
Kaganin ka na ikaw, ah?
Alam lang.
Hello guys, Iris.
Bab. Ang walang kamatayang bab. Dati ako nakatira dyan doon sa likod ng Oceania way back 2020. 2020. Ito yung trabaho ko dito sa kabila. Shoutout na lang, shoutout sa Van Leeuwen Farm. Hello guys, andito na kami sa Timaro. And parang may piyesta, ang daming tao. Foundation anniversary. Daming tao. Kanina pa nag-request itong batang to ng playground.
Yeah, again this Iris. We need to swim.
Playground, ground.
And Muswa Dreska.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah!
Happy Pista Timaro. Gusto mo? Kasi hindi mo kaya. Ako hindi ko kaya.
Ikaw hindi ka kaya?
Oo. Hindi ko kaya na.
Two. For the cup and sausage?
Grabe, hindi na makaya. Ticket.
Okay, kami. Where are you? Kalo kayo mo ka na ride Zizi and Daddy.
I got get it. Horse.
Saya horse. Ride the horse.
Ride the horse.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go!
Karoon ng panahon.
I like it this one, Daddy. I like it this one.
Where's the horse? Where's the head of the horse? This one? Good luck sa akon. Di na go! Jumping ang horse. Jumping horse and turn around. Nakasukahon again. Masuka. Galingin na tana ulo. Okay. Okay, tama na ni. Tama na. Tama na ni. Malumpat akon. Tama na. Tama na, sir. Sir, tama na, sir. Alingin na ulo, sir. Ay, kaya hindi na masaya. Yellow means
Whoa!
slow down. Thank you, horse. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Sold na ko, libot-libot. Tama na.
Zizi, you hold, ha?
Your solo flight? Ha?
Hold.
Ubo. Nabisog ka na?
So strong.
Wow.
Break mo na, uy.
Steering wheel. Hold the steering wheel.
Don't break mo na, Zizi, uy. Hala. Nagako lagit kasi.
Dako ka na gid man. Kaya mo na mag-solo.
Ah.
Opo. Bali na. Pili na. Bali na. Okay na. Ang lapsi, oh. Balokano kulang, de?
Ano?
Sa peryahan nila. Ano ang kulang? Balot. Uy. Happy? Thank you. Didi, happy?
Did you had fun?
I did this!
I'm bound na ride ka sa UFO. Hello guys, so ayun, kakatapos lang natin mag-attend ng piyesta ng Timaro. So patuloy tayo sa pagbiyahe papunta Ashburton. So time check is 5:30. Maybe another 30 minutes darating na tayo doon. So see you. Hello guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa Ashburton at andito kami sa aming one of our friend, very close friend. Uy, wow, dito kami sa kanyang bahay. So ang gagawin namin is tatayo kami ng tent dahil magka-camping kami dito. So I think 3 nights kaming magka-camping dito. And it's a very good location sa aming bahay. Ito yung magiging bahay namin for 3 days. Sisi, do you like it here? You like it here? So ayun guys, magbi-build muna tayo ng tent para may panglagyan tayo ng gamit. Ay, na-vlog ka? Ha? Na-vlog ka? Oh, bread. Yun na guys. Instant. Ano na yung tent. Pwede na tayong magpahinga dito. So pwede na tayong maghakot ng gamit. Tapos lagay natin dyan. Yeah. Salamat pala sa ating host. Sa ating kuya dito, si Kuya John. Thank you sa pag-accommodate sa amin.
Welcome. Hope you enjoy your stay.
Uy! Si Pogi, andito si Pogi. Guys, may dumating tayo na medyo hindi natin close. Andito na sila. Si Toto. And may bagong member ng pamilya. Si Kenneth. Shout out to you, Ken. Shout out.
Good morning. In Ashburton, and also my parents are just sleeping over there.
Yeah, where did you sleep last night?
In
the tent?
Yeah, I slept in the tent.
Where about Cici? Where do you sleep, Cici?
He slept in the tent there.
Yes, this is Cici's tent. And this is
Sobe stand. Feel cold last night?
Yeah, I felt a little cold,
Yes.
but it was so shivering.
Mhm.
My parents said I need to wear socks tomorrow.
Yes.
And my auntie and uncle are coming today. Tita Nini and
yes.
Tito Brian. Shout out! Look!
And shout out to Pawpaw. Can you say shout out to Pawpaw?
Shout out to Pau Shout out! Shout out!
Aga ka pa nabulabog. Eh? Morning. At ayun nga guys, sa breakfast time muna tayo.
More,
Are you enjoying your breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More. Yeah.
More milk, please.
Itlog lang muna ngayon guys, then mamaya lechon na. What's your breakfast?
Egg and KFC chicken and KFC fries.
Oh yeah, it's good. How about you, Si?
Drink a milk.
Hello guys, nag-hail pala dito ngayon. Look at that! Nag-hail. Mainit kanina tapos ngayon hail. Welcome to New Zealand. Pero hindi malamig guys, hindi malamig yung ano. Ano lang talaga, ewan ko ba't nag-hail pa. Eh tapos naman ang winter. Sobe! Ice. Oh. Oh. Right there. Oh, get the ice there, Ben. Can you get the ice? Go. Go. Uy. Ay, slippers ang gisapar. Saparan slippers mo.
The slippers here. Isa ibutang ang dala.
Dyan lang. Come here with daddy. Come with daddy. Come with daddy. Come here. That's arena. Let's try experience lang. For the experience. For the experience. For the experience. For the experience lang ah. What's that?
So ice.
Yung ice? Nag-enjoy ang mga bata sa ice. After ng mga isang oras na hail, ito na naman tayo sa summer. Dumating na sila, Kuya Brian. Hiya, how are you? Si ate, hi te, how are you?
Walang summer, budol.
Init, lamig.
Budol.
Dito na naman tayo sa summertime, mabilis lang ang panahon. Summer na ulit. Uy! What you doing?
I don't know when we
Ha?
find a treasure.
Find a treasure? Apo.
Ay, mo tingin puno sa Corvette ko.
Na-enjoy sa mga kids ang ano? Ang summer tsaka winter.
Sabi ko daw, ano siya ba?
Tanang ako, damo buslot. Ubos ka buslot. Grabing camping ground ba? Mag-enjoy ang lahat. Mahaba pang gabi. Marami pang mangyayari.
Gusto ni mo, ano?
Okay, go. Kuha na.
I'm trying to get Zizi.
What about you? You don't want to? Oh, Zizi. Thank you, Sobe. Thank you for looking after Zizi.
Ging. Dapat may drum.
Siyempre, tayo po dapat din tayo. Ito inspired by Matamamos. Guys, tapos na ang ating party. Next year ulit. Kita-kits. Thank you, bye.
Bye!
Merry Christmas!